Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a soft smoky eye makeup tutorial, and if you are interested in checking it out, then stick around with me. And if you enjoy it, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Here are the two palettes I'll be using for today's makeup look, and I'll have all the details down below for you guys. So this first shade here is a nice light tan color that I'm going to keep building. Then I'm going to pick up a medium shade brown and work it into the crease and just keep building it a little bit deeper. And then lastly, a darker brown shade. Again, keep building. Then I'm going to pick up a clean brush and just blend out the edge. With the pad of my finger, I'm blending out a NYX Jumbo eye pencil, then using a clean brush to blend that out. Then with another brush, I'm packing on the beautiful shimmer black shadow, and with a clean brush, I'm going to blend out those edges so they're really nice and seamless. Then with the pad of my finger, I'm going to add this really pretty slate blue shimmer shadow right to the middle, so there's a little extra pop right there for the eyes. Yeah, and then I'm going to pick up one of the other brushes I use to blend out the edge. Now moving on to the lower lash line. Swiping some Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil, and then I'm going to build it and kind of set it with a purple shimmer shadow. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go with a really tiny small wing, and I've been loving this liquid eyeliner from Stila. It has the two ends. It's got a really tiny little end, and then the other side is a little bit bigger. It's amazing. I love it. I think I'm almost running out. I need to get another one soon. All right, off camera, I'm going to go ahead and catch up my other eye. Then I like to use my L'Oreal Carbon Black eyeliner. Actually, I found out about this liner back from Jaclyn Hill years ago, and I like to add it to my lash line. Then for mascara, I'm going to use two different mascaras. One is from Lancome and the other is from CoverGirl. I'll be sure to have those details down below for you as well. Off camera, I went ahead and put some concealer on my face, and then I set it with some powder. Here I'm adding my bronzer. I'm going to get my cheekbones, my forehead. I'm also going to go ahead and do a little bit of contouring on my nose, the tip of my nose. I did get my lower lip. I can't remember if I filmed it. Did I film it here? I can't remember, but I'm also going to get my jawline, and then at the end of that, I pick up my powder brush from earlier, and I just kind of blend out the harsh edges. I have been loving this liquid blush from Rare Beauty. I am a fan. I can't wait to get some more and try some more products from Rare Beauty, but I'm in love with this blush. I use it practically every day. So I'm going to blend it out first. I get it on my cheeks, the little bridge of my nose there, and I'm going to get my forehead, and then I like to take one of my favorite blushes, and I'm just going to kind of add it all over there just to kind of set it a little bit and add a little more pop of color. Then we're moving to setting spray. So I'm going to go ahead and set my face really good, and then I'm going to get out my fan because nobody got time to wait for it to air dry. And once that is nice and dry, we're going to move on to highlight. Hitting that highlight in all those places, so the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, gonna get those cheekbones, and you have to get sexy time of the Cupid's bow, a little extra here on the inner corner, and then I'm gonna pick up a nice clean brush to blend out the edges. Lipstick time, and I got two shades for this look. The first color here is a beautiful nude shade. It is called Bow and Arrow, and it's an everlasting liquid lipstick. Let's get extra spooky. So these spider earrings, I actually made them, and you can purchase them from my small jewelry business, Geek and Chic Creations. I'll link it down below for you. So here is the first liquid lipstick with the makeup look in the nude shade Bow and Arrow. Time to transition to the bold lip. So this is another everlasting liquid lipstick. This is in the color Exorcism. I really love how this bold lip turned out, and I love how this makeup look, you can really mix it up, go a little more nude or have a little more fun. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me and checking out my soft smoky eye makeup tutorial just in time for spooky season. So all of my makeup lovers, my DIY nail techs, and my curl friends, I'll see you next week for another video. Take care and stay spooky.